Rochelle Poole, a loving mother of two children, Keenan and Draven, who cared immensely about her family and her community. Grandpa Ken's teaching video, 9 times tables using your fingers. Have your family or your students stop the videos lots to practice using their fingers to learn the 9 times tables. A spreadsheet of the 30 YouTube video series of Grandpa Ken's timetables is posted for quick reference. Please stop the tape and take a look at the video series if you are interested. Parents and teachers wishing a copy of the individual student progress chart, just email me at widigo@gmail.com. What is 1 times 9? Fold your first finger and count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 times 9 is 9. What is the product of 2 times 9? Fold your second finger. This is 10, so that's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Those are 10s and all the rest are 1s. So 2 times 9 is 18. What's the product of 3 times 9? Fold your third finger. These are worth 10, so that's 10, 20, and count 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What's the product of 4 times 9? Fold your fourth finger. This is 10, 20, 30, and these are all 1s. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. What's the product of 5 times 9? Fold your fifth finger, count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. What's the product of 6 times 9? Fold your sixth finger. This is all 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. What's the product of 7 times 9? Fold your seventh finger and count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. What's the product of 8 times 9? Fold your eighth finger, and these are all 10s, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2. What's the product of 9 times 9? Fold your ninth finger. These are all 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1. What's the product of 10 times 9? Fold your 10th finger and count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If you like this 9 timetables teaching video, please push the subscribe button and the view button. Thank you for your support. Parents or teachers have questions about Grandpa Ken's timetables, please email the questions to widigo@gmail.com. Grandpa Ken's photography background. To access Grandpa Ken's timetables, go to YouTube, type in Grandpa Ken's timetables. The learners will start at program 1, counting by 2s, or the 2 times tables. Thank you for viewing the 9 times tables teaching videos. Grandpa Ken.